Welcome to our newest listing at 5149 Red Yarrow Way in Indianapolis, Indiana. Located in the Glen at Eagle Creek North, this chic and contemporary ranch home has 3 beds, 2 baths, a newer roof, and endless updates inside and out. No detail was spared during renovations, and the open concept living space and kitchen prove it. You will notice quartz countertops, new appliances, hardware fixtures, baseboards, and trim that perfectly accent the fresh neutral paint. New LVP flooring flows through much of the home as well. The backyard is a modern paradise with a Paver and Stone Patio, privacy panels, and no neighbors to the rear. The owner's suite features high ceilings, a walk-in closet, and a stunningly remodeled bathroom. The walk-in shower is just one of many stylish features, including the modern vanity, fixtures, hardware, and tile work. The second bedroom, second bathroom, and third bedroom or office have been remodeled as well. You can enjoy summer at the neighborhood pool or nearby Eagle Creek Park. Listed at $229,900, contact Bob Warner for info or a showing.